It's just a phase. Y'all, it turned out so cute. Did it not? Did it not? Did it not? Be honest. Hey guys, it's your girl Purely Janice. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, my name is Tiana. Nice to meet you. Basically on this channel you will see me doing bomb wig videos, and if not, I'll be doing something else random. And if you are one of my loyal 5K subscribers, thank you for coming back. As you guys know, I like to keep these intros short and sweet. I don't really like to do all that jabbering at the beginning of my videos because it takes time away from, you know, us getting to what we gotta get to. So basically this wig install is going to be something new, something different. Obviously you guys already saw the thumbnail, so you kind of got an idea of what this is, but I don't, because I haven't even opened up this box yet, y'all. So I don't know what to expect. I've only seen this wig online. So let's just hope this wig turns out to be cute at the end of the day, because if not, I'm gonna cry. So if you want to stick around to see how I achieve this look, go ahead and get comfortable, get your AirPods, get your headphones, do whatever you gotta do, and let's get started. First, I'm gonna get something to drink because, you know, gotta stay hydrated. This tea is the bomb. Based on the title, you guys probably already know that we are going to be working with ELFIN hair today. ELFIN hair reached out to me probably about a week or two ago. Obviously your girl was like, yes, I want to collab. So thank you to ELFIN hair for sending this wig over and for wanting to collaborate with me. I appreciate you guys so much. This box right here, I'm telling y'all, is so cute. Like, the best thing about receiving the wigs is the box for me. Everything else is good too, but these boxes are so cute. Like, look at this. It says ELFIN hair on the front, best quality and most competitive price, and it has their contact information and their social media handles on the back. And this box it's pink, so I know I love it. I'm honestly probably gonna save this box. This is super, super cute. But without further ado, let's open it and see what's inside. Oh, y'all, they outdid themselves. So when you open the box, this is what it looks like. In here we have a paddle brush that says ELFIN hair on the end. This is super cute. I've never gotten a brush with the wig before. We have some 3D lashes in the style G01. Cannot wait to put these on. Y'all, they put a rat tail comb in here. And then we have a wig cap, which I'm definitely going to use. And then they have an instruction card. They have ELFIN hair products. And of course they have the wig. In the instruction card, it basically just tells you the do's and don'ts of your wig. How to sew your wig, styling, shampoo, conditioner, curling iron, questions and answers, all the good stuff in here, guys. So they really hooked us up, guys. This is an 8-inch wig. I'm pretty sure it's a Pixie cut. The wig is black in the front and then it comes down into this ombre nice red color. And I've never worn hair or a wig this short before, so I'm scared, you guys. As for the interior, I think this is 180 lace in the front. So you get this much lace in the front, and then they also give you some lace in the back as well. I most likely won't be putting this in a ponytail, so I'm probably just going to cut that off. But as for the front, we have a really good amount of lace. And then we have the 2 clips on the sides, 1 clip in the middle, and then 1 clip in the back. And then we also have 2 adjustable straps here. So they give you more than enough of what you need to make sure that the wig is secure. And now we're just gonna dive right in, put this on, and start to melt it onto our heads and make this wig become our hair, okay? So off camera, I went ahead and did my wig cap method, but I decided not to finish it because I do want to show you guys a new cutting method that I saw online that I think really helps with just holding this wig cap onto your head, letting it stick, and making it so that your wig lasts a lot longer because your foundation, which is your cap, is on there nice and well. So you're going to start by finding any object you can and puncturing a small hole in the wig cap. Right here you guys see me using an eyebrow shaper, but you literally can use anything. And then once you have that small hole, you're going to go on top of that with some scissors and cut along the wig cap band line. Continue cutting until you get to that part right next to your ears. You do not want to cut this band all the way off. Once you get to your earlobe, you're just going to cut upwards and leave the band on. After that, you are going to pull that band over your head and bring it about halfway back. Make sure you flatten it out, and that's it. This little step avoids runs from coming straight up your wig cap and splitting all the way through, therefore making it last so much longer. Now for the moment of truth, we are going to put this bad boy on and see what we can do. So let's put her on. Here I'm just showing you guys the use of this back clip. I like to tuck it under my wig cap into my braids for a nice firm hold. You guys. Rock on! Let me stop. You guys, this is different. For the rest of this video, I'm going to be using the same installation method that I've been using for forever. So I'm going to stop talking now, and I want you guys to just sit back and enjoy. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this sit for about 15 minutes. While I'm doing so, I like to either eat, get some water, do my makeup, do whatever you need to do, but make sure that you don't try and skip this step. Even if you use your blow dryer, it's not gonna let it set into your scalp like this. You need to get a scarf. You need to put that scarf on tightly, and you need to make sure it sits for at least 15 minutes. So go do what you gotta do. I'm gonna go do what I gotta do, and I will see you all back here in 15 minutes. I went a little bit longer because I wanted to get a head start on my makeup, so that way this whole process could go a little bit faster for the sake of my time. But this has been on for about 30 minutes, so we're gonna take this off. Ooh, this is how it looks fresh off. So now that the lace is pretty much cut to my liking, I'm gonna go in with one more round of freeze spray to lay down these little frayed areas where it just looks a little messy and sloppy. And going around with that extra layer of freeze spray along with the blow dryer is really gonna help seal this lace into our skin, make it look like it's natural, make it look exactly like our scalp. But I think so far this looks good. It's different, y'all. It's definitely different. I'm gonna have to really be creative when it comes to styling because I have no idea how to style hair this short. But this should be interesting. So let's go ahead and do the got to be glue, and then we can figure out how exactly we're gonna make this fit me. Sure if oh, I just burned the mess out of myself. This is why I don't talk and do stuff. Okay. So I know this is different from what you guys saw when I last was on camera, but basically I really didn't want to leave the hair plain. I really wanted to play around with this and see how much I could achieve. So space buns is where we went. We got the two little braids here. I got my bangs because I always like to have something to frame my face. And then I just decided to curl the hair in the back, the parts that I could like reach and do myself. I went in with a little bit of foundation and I did my part here. I put a little bit on here, and then I put a little bit on the lines where the lace was a little bit visible. Let me show you guys the front. I just gotta say it. What lace? What lace, y'all? Where is it? This melted down so well. The lace is almost undetectable, and obviously that has a lot to do with my meltdown method, but it also has to do with the just manufacturing of the wig and the lace that comes with the wig itself. I thought long hair took like a lot of maintenance, but short hair, this took a long time to do, and it was like, I feel like I would have to do this type of thing every day, and like, who's gonna do that though? Like, no. I will say that you definitely have to be aware of the heat tolerance of the hair. I just went in without reading the instruction manual on 410 degrees, and I literally burned some of the hair a little bit on this side, and I had to go in and fix it. But then I went back down to about 370 degrees and it was fine. So definitely pay attention to the instructions that the wig companies give you whenever you do go in and try to straighten it or fix it with heat, because sometimes they tell you these things for a reason. The hair texture itself feels really great. The mobility of it is a little bit low, and I'm guessing that's because of how short it is. I definitely think that if this wig was a little bit longer, it would like move a little bit better, but it just kind of stays in place, which I don't really mind. I like when my hair stays where I put it, because if it moves out of place, it doesn't look right. Y'all know what I mean. Other than that, if you enjoyed this video and you know you're going to want to see more, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below, as well as the bell in the top right hand corner so you guys are notified when I post. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know what you guys think about this look. Do you like it? Do you think I could have done better? Do you think I did a little too much? Whatever you have to say, whether it be good or bad, definitely let me know down below, because I love hearing from you guys. And yeah, other than that, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.